I guess.
Hey, guys,
back up for the cameras.
Oh, the cameras have a chance, guys.
David, you just talk about playing on a little bit on short rest today. Is that going to be a factor?
No, I think it's about obviously preparing well and recovering from the game the other day. You know, it was a tough game in Portland, but you know, we've rested since then, so I don't think it'll be a problem whether we swap a few players around and freshen the team up. We'll have to wait and see, but obviously that'll be down to the manager. And then, but you know, these games come short and sharp, and yeah, it's just something you have to deal with.
Talk about this Vancouver team.
The last time we played them, it was a tough game. I think that we played our best half of soccer of the season last time we played them. So we started off well, but you know, they've got a good few young players in their team, quick players, and you know, it's going to be a tough game. But you know, we're coming off a good game at the weekend, and you know, we need to continue that.
Dude, you've scored a lot of beautiful goals in your career. One you scored in Portland. How does that rank in terms of some of the most memorable?
Yeah, obviously it's always great to score goals. Usually I'm, you know, assisting more than scoring, but no, you know, obviously I was happy about the goal the other night just because a couple of reasons. Obviously it was a great goal to score, and it also got us back into the game pretty quick. So it was a lot like a goal that I'd scored quite a few years ago in Deportivo for Manchester United, and yeah, it's always nice to score those goals, but I think the performance of the team the other night was the thing that made everyone happy.
It's 10 days before the Olympics. How gutted were you to be left off the British team?
I've made my feelings clear. Everyone knows my feelings on that, and it's going to be a proud occasion for our country, you know, to have such a big sporting occasion in the East End of London in England. You know, it's you know, I'm very proud to be part of that, and I'm looking forward to being part of it as a fan.
David, if it wasn't you lighting the torch, who would you nominate 2 or 3 people from your country that would be deserving of it?
Yeah, it's not my decision, and you know, there's a couple of people that obviously would deserve that, but you know, there's other people that would decide that. But you know, I've always said that, you know, it will be decided by these people, and it should be an Olympian of some kind. So we'll have to wait and see.
David, what has it been about the success that the Galaxy have had against the Whitecaps since they've joined Major League Soccer, outscoring them 10-0 in just 3 matches?
Obviously the goals that we've scored and the way we've played. I think especially the last game that we played against them, we played our best 45 minutes of soccer. So you know, we need to continue that against good teams, and you know, we know it's going to be a hard match. You know, we might have had success against them in the past, but you know, that's in the past. So it's important that we continue the way we've played.
Your team's form has improved from the start of the season to now. What would you attribute that to?
Hard work on the training field, character, because I think that the first half of the season wasn't good enough, and we realised that we've had to get ourselves out of it. So we've dug deep, and I think that we're starting to pull ourselves out of it. But we need to get the consistency that we've had, you know, from last year into this season, and then we'll be okay.
All right, thanks guys. We're done.
David, since the last time you were here, what's your thoughts, your overview of what you see
It's
here?
great. You know, it's obviously a good stadium. We're excited about playing in it tomorrow. So yeah, we're ready for the game.
All right, thanks guys.